Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create customized project views in TODOIST, the 2025 guide. This will help you streamline your productivity with a personalized touch. First off, launch TODOIST and navigate to your project list. The reason we start here is that this is the hub of your tasks, and it's where you'll set up your customized view. Next up, click on the three-dot icon at the top right corner of your project. This will open up a drop-down menu containing numerous options to customize your project view. This is a powerful tool because it allows you to shape your workflow in a way that suits your unique needs. Now that we've done that, select Edit View. Here's where the magic happens. You can choose how your tasks are sorted, whether that's by priority, due date, or assignee. You can also choose which tasks to display, such as all tasks, completed tasks, or only tasks assigned to you. This helps us because it means you can tailor your project view to show exactly what you need to see and in the order that makes most sense to you. After you've made your selections, click Save. Your project view is now customized to your liking. The reason we do this is to give you control over how you view your tasks, enabling you to work more effectively. Now, let's say you want to switch between views or make further adjustments. Just return to the three-dot icon, select Edit View, and tweak as needed. This is an ongoing process, allowing you to continually refine your project view as your tasks or priorities change. So in conclusion, creating customized project views in TODOIST is as simple as navigating to your project, selecting the three-dot icon, choosing Edit View, and making your selections. Remember, this is a tool designed to make your work life easier and more efficient, so don't be afraid to experiment until you find the view that works best for you. And there we have it. That's how you create customized project views in TODOIST, the 2025 guide. Until next time, stay productive and keep customizing.